A very good morning to all of you children. How are you all? So today we are going to study English once again. And as you all know, we were doing the exercises of chapter 4, that is Po. So today we are going to continue, and I hope that all the previous work which I posted you all have done in your notebooks. So let us begin today's class, and first, as you can see on the screen, there are golden rules. Use of face mask, maintaining hand hygiene, maintaining social distancing. So now we move on to the exercise. In the previous class, we have covered up to exercise C. So today we are going to continue with exercise D. So exercise D is tick the correct answer. So in your book, options are given, but here we are going to discuss only the correct answers today. What happened when the author met Po for the first time? So we all know that he cried most of the night, right? Second part is the second time the author met Po was when his mother took him to live in Taiwan for a year. That was the second time. Third part is it was difficult for Po to prepare the author's medicine because. Why it was difficult? Because it was a long process that had to be repeated every morning. So we have read in the chapter that preparing the medicine used to take 4 hours. So that was a long process. Fourth part is when the author tried to hug Po at the airport, what did she do then? Told him to be careful as she was carrying his favorite pastry. So that was the time when Po was carrying 30 pounds of his favorite pastries. The fifth part is I could write a whole book on Po means. The author, what does this line mean? That author could write a lot about Po. He had so much incidents to describe about Po that he can almost write a book about her. Now we come on to exercise E, which is complete the sentences about the story. So let us complete. First one is when the author first met Po, his mom was too exhausted to calm him down. Mom was very much tired after a journey of 15 hours. So Po had to do that. Second is the author lived with Po for 1 year in Taiwan. That is Taipei in Taiwan, where author's mother worked in a university. Third one is the author's mother would often visit Taiwan on short-term teaching assignments. Fourth one, Mom and Po were worried about the author because he had a severe nose bleeding problem. So this was author's problem about which Po and author's mother both were worried. Fifth one is Po helped the author by preparing the herbal medicine for him and making him drink that. So that was a task which Po had to do every day. She had to prepare the medicine also, and then she had to make him drink that medicine also, because we have read in the chapter that it was a very difficult task. The sixth one is Po came to America hand carrying. What was she carrying in her hand? 30 pounds of author's favorite pastries. So this was what Po was carrying. The seventh one is Po was actually the author's grandmother. So we come to know by the end of the chapter only that Po was author's grandmother. Moving on to exercise F, we have to answer with reference to the context. So we have been given the lines from the passage. Referring to context means the lines from the passage have been given and we have to answer the related questions. We'll see each other again sooner than you think. Now the questions that follow are, A part is, who said these words and to whom? So these words are obviously spoken by Poe. Poe said these words to the author. Second question is, why did the speaker say these words? So why did she say these words? The speaker said these words because the author was feeling sad while leaving Poe. Because he was leaving Poe, so he was feeling very, very sad. So Poe spoke these lines to console him that we will meet again. C part is, find a line in the story that tells us how the speaker was feeling when she said these words. So not only the author but the speaker was also very sad at that time. So we have to tell which line from the story tells us. The line is, however, I detected some shakiness in Poe's voice and tears in Poe's eyes. So author could also notice that there were tears in Poe's eyes and there were shakiness in Poe's voice because she was also sad that author is leaving her. Now we move on to the next exercise. Exercise G, think and answer. First question is, how did Poe feel about the author? So we all know Poe loved author a lot. Poe loved the author and cared for him a lot. She cared also. She readily did all the efforts and took pains to prepare the herbal medicine so that author can be cured. So Poe had taken all the pains, she had done all the efforts so that the author could be cured. Question number 2 is, what do these phrases from the story mean? So they have given us 2 phrases and we have to tell their meaning. The first one is great patience. The phrase great patience means to have the ability to accept a suffering without complaining. So Poe, as we know, she was showing great patience because she was doing all the hard work, she was doing all the difficult work for author, but she did not complain at all. बिना कंप्लेन किए ही वो ऑथर के लिए सब काम हैप्पीली करती थी. Phrase B is unbelievable effort. Now, in the story we have seen that Poe was doing some unbelievable effort. कुछ ऐसा effort उनको रोज करना पड़ता था जो beyond किसी expectation के था. The phrase unbelievable effort means to show courage which is beyond expectation. ऐसा courage, ऐसा effort करना जो कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता, और वो एफर्ट जो है वो पो करती थी ऑथर के लिए. So children, I hope that these exercises which I have discussed today are clear to you. You will be writing them in your copy and then you will be revising them also. Till then, have a nice day.